After the Obasanjo episode of that convention, he felt some people still were trying to undermine his participation in politics, particularly having joined the PDP. So he decided to stay behind the background and allow things to unfold. And of course, in the course of all of that, again, Obasanjo also did not forget the role of Chief Ikimi as foreign minister. That was at the time when he too was arrested. So it continued that way, and Chief Ikimi and a good number of us decided, no, you know something, enough is enough. Now, Obasanjo went further to deregister some of us who were members of the PDP, including His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, GCON, Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, was deregistered.